Okay, last weekend, my husband and I cleaned out our garage. Finally moved in after 20 years being in this house. We took all the boxes out, emptied all the boxes, figured out what needed to be stored, packed those back away, threw away everything else. We filled a dumpster that was like 20 feet long, 5 feet high, 10 feet wide. It's spring cleaning time. It had to be done. The challenge I put before you is not just clean out your garage. It is springtime. Let's do some spring cleaning. Get rid of stuff. Personally, I think all these material things that you kind of stash away, if you haven't used it in a couple of years and it has no sentimental value, it's time to donate it, sell it, or throw it away. Honestly, I think it'll be good for your heart and your spirit. The second thing that needs to happen, and we're going to do that this weekend, is go through our pantry. Now, we've done this before, probably 4 years. Let's see. When did they make me take this stupid damn vaccine? Was it 2021? 3.5 years ago, when I was poisoned by my federal government under the threat of losing my profession. Yeah, I remember that. And then I had a vaccine injury as a result of that. And then I had a doctor who wouldn't help me with that problem, except to prescribe me some very, very expensive medicines, all of which were a threat to my health because I have had a cancer in my lifetime and I have been exposed to TB. I can't take these other medicine. We got to come up with a different answer. They refused. They didn't want to hear it. Right. So they stopped writing for all medicines, which, as it turned out, was the best thing that ever happened to me. I was on steroids, methotrexate. That was killing me. That was killing me. I still haven't recovered from that. I gained 20 pounds that I cannot lose as a result of that. Lord. But at the time, I made a decision to just detoxify my life. We went through the pantry, got rid of everything, and I replaced it with things that I thought were good for you. You know, it had all the little cartoon labels on it, all the little cartoons, a little butterfly thing, a little gluten-free thing. So I'm on a gluten-free deal. And as it turns out, all of those things also contain non-nutritive food additives that are not necessarily on the label that will damage your metabolism and damage your microbiome. The other thing they don't tell you is that seed oils are damaging. You got to go into your pantry, get rid of seed oils. It takes up to 2 years to get 75% of the seed oils that are in your body out of your body. You can't metabolize that stuff. Your body just stores it in a big fat wad that you cannot burn. Mesenteric fat winds up becoming inflammatory mesenteric fat as a result. And it can take 2 years to get rid of that. I didn't know that. They tell you it's good for you. It's organic and it's right. No, it's not. Get that stuff out of your life. Go into the pantries. We're doing that this weekend. Use your food apps. There are two that I use, and I think you got to use them both. One is Yuka, Y-U-K-A. The other one is called Bobby Approved. These are free apps. You can pay for subscriptions to get bells and whistles, but honestly, the free app is very functional and helps. And they will suggest like substitutions, right? So if something is your favorite something and oh my God, it's bad for you, look, is there a substitution? Buy a small sample supply of that substitution. Are you willing to use that as a substitution? If not, there's always a second substitution, right? Find the healthier option. Get rid of the phosphates, get rid of the nitrates, get rid of anything that's artificial, get rid of sugar alcohols, get rid of seed oils. That is your mission. You're armed with your apps. They're free. And let me know how your spring cleaning goes. Good luck to you guys.